In the next tutorial, we're going to be looking at ways of refining a sequence once it's been edited to the timeline. Having created an initial rough cut sequence, there is inevitably a number of refinements that you will want to make. First of all, you might want to delete a clip. I have a sequence already created here with a number of clips on it. To delete a clip from this sequence, what I first of all do is highlight the clip itself by clicking on it with the arrow tool and then hitting backspace on my keyboard. There is one drawback with this method, and that is that it leaves a gap on the timeline where the clip has been deleted. Now, it's fairly easy to get rid of a gap on the timeline. All you do is click inside the gap to select the gap and then hit backspace again, and that will actually close up the gap. There is a way of actually deleting a clip and closing the gap at the same time. This is known as a ripple delete. The easiest way of doing this is, again, to highlight the clip first, hold down the Alt key on the keyboard, or as that is known, the Option key on a Mac, and then hit backspace on your keyboard. This deletes the clip and closes the gap at the same time. You can delete multiple clips by highlighting more than one clip. I'm going to do this by clicking above some clips and drawing a little marquee over them. An alternative method would be to click on a clip, hold Shift down and click on the other clips that you want to select, and then again hitting backspace to delete them and leave a gap, or holding the Alt/Option key down and doing backspace to do a ripple delete. One other method of doing a ripple delete is to highlight the clip, do a right click on it, and there will be a ripple delete option from the contextual menu that appears. Another quite common procedure to want to do is to move the order of clips around on your timeline. Now, the problem here is this: if I just take a clip and drag it along the timeline, move it to a new location and then let go, not only does it leave a gap where it was moved from, it also overwrites any footage at the new location. To shuffle the order of the clips around without leaving gaps and also without overwriting any existing footage on the timeline, you hold down the Command key on the keyboard or Control on a PC before you drag the clip. Drag the clip along the timeline, line up the line with the arrowheads on to the edit point where you want the clip to go. Let go of your mouse first and then let go of your Command key, or remember, Control key on a PC. As you can see, that moves the clip to the new location. It shifts any clips that were already there along into the gap that would have been left, therefore leaving a gap to drop the clip into. This can also be undertaken with multiple clips. Again, I'm going to highlight 3 clips here. Hold Command down, because I'm on a Mac. Move the 3 clips to where I want them to go. Let go of the mouse first, then let go of the Command key.